If you wonder if Redmi A5 does have call recorder, let me quickly show you. As we go into the phone application and go for these three dots in the top right corner and go into the settings, right here we can find call recording settings. So this basically means that the Redmi A5 does indeed have call recorder. And also, in case if you don't actually have these call recording settings right here, you cannot find the call recorder, I recommend you to actually go into the settings, type in region, and you will simply have to change your region to United States, because for sure right here, as you have this region set as United States, you will have this call recorder settings right here. I will just, let me quickly show you. Let's change to, I don't know, let's for example change for this region, and this call recorder settings should disappear, as you can see. So in case you cannot find these options, change your region to United States and this should actually work, and you will be able to actually record your calls, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can do this.